Hi everyone, Rainy here, and today I'm going to work on my Christmas wish list. I'm taking you to one of my favorite places to go shopping. So Raluca told me to start working on my Christmas wish list, and here comes some boating stuff on the way. So are you ready? Let's get going. You see where it is? I don't even have to give you a hint, right? That's right, Lowe's. This is probably my favorite place to go shopping. And right off the bat, I'm going to tell you one of my favorite things about Lowe's. I pull into the parking lot, I come right to the front, really close up, and what do you see right over here? The respect they have for veterans. That's right. See, look right there. They have special parking spaces for veterans. So thank you, Lowe's. I appreciate it. And let's go shopping. Here we are. One of my favorite things about Lowe's this time of year is all the Christmas decorations that they have for sale. Hey Santa, I've been a good sailor. I want one of everything. Oh, look at the trees. Ooh. Okay, we have to go through the forest here. Oops, I'm lost. Should I have turned right or left? Ooh, there we go. I think I need one of those for each foot. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, okay. Getting closer. So here's a question for you folks who have built cabin cruisers, okay? Do I get a shower stall like this, or should I be making it with tiles and all my own thing in there? I mean, something like this would be cool, but I imagine the glass door, would that be trouble with seas? Ooh, I don't want to fall into the glass door and break it or something to fall out. Or should I just get one of those bottom parts down there? And actually I'd want a big rectangle one, and like I said, just put tiles on the wall with curtains. What do you think? Give me your suggestions, those of you that have done it. Another thing I'm going to need is a sink. Look at that, the wall sinks. What kind of sinks do most of you have in there? Again, are you putting in regular sinks like this, or are you getting marine sinks? Which I imagine if you're getting a specific marine sink, that would cost through the nose. But look, a small sink like up there, $179. That's just for the basin. But I think I'd like stainless steel. Maybe like that $229 one up there. What do you think?
As a pro, are you earning rewards with today's purchases?
And the restroom, I think I'd like something like this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Woohoo! Matter of fact, the cabinet looks pretty neat too. You must have mini washers. Washer and dryers, these would be too big for that, I think. They must have a certain kind of mini washer and dryer system. So these are all pretty big. Okay, let's go on a different section. There's something else I need to get. I need to get more of this Loctite. I've been using the 3 times, this one here, for my frames and everything, and I bought a whole mess of them. Matter of fact, Walmart had them on sale for like half price, and I bought like 15 of those, but I just about used them all up. I'm thinking of going to the 8 time, which is right here, instead. I'm understanding that this stuff is a lot stronger. PL8 Premium. Those are $10 each. And the other ones are $7.29, the 3. I see, they have others. But that's for floors, tubs, and I think I'm probably gonna come back. Maybe I'll get a carriage. I didn't even bring a carriage in here. Can you believe that? Yeah, so I just found out that they make 30 ounce down there. Look at that, 30 ounce versus the normal one, which I believe is 10 ounce, which is these here. Comparison, look at that, huh? Whoa, can you see it? Hey. Wow. An awful lot in there, isn't it? I think I might get some of these. Okay, my second favorite section. Tools. Wow. Look at the size of those, huh? There's the one I bought. I've actually got 2 of these right now. One of them just broke and I bought another. Let's see. The next major thing I'd like to get here is a router. Any suggestions? Nope, not here. It's like playing hide and seek. Trying to find where all the tools are. Is that what this is? Nope, that's a sander. Pretty close, so look at the body. No router there. I bet you they're on the other side of this wall. Da, da, da. Da, da. Routers. No, not here either. Sounds like they're having a party down here. Oh, where are they? Okay, and the search continues. The router search. If any of you have seen it, if I walk past it, give me a call so I know. Ooh, there's a big sail wall. Drills, sanders, no routers. As my grandmother would say, son of a sea cook. Okay. No. Where are the routers?
Down here.
I'm in a sea of tools, but no routers. There we go. When in doubt, ask someone. Ooh, I was on the complete wrong end, huh? There we go. Okay, thank you, sir.
Anything I can help as far as...
No, just look and see what you have. I'm recording so I can make my wish list.
There you go.
There you go. My wife says, let me know what you want, so I'm making my Christmas wish list so she can see it. See, so I should get one, right? This gentleman says yes. See, he looks a little like Santa. He says yes, so
you better
honey?
better buy quick before they're gone.
You hear that? Quick before they're gone. There we go. See that? Unsolicited testimonial. Huh. What do you sell most of?
That's a good question. Well,
I've got DeWalt tools. I actually have some Bosch. I don't stick with anything. I get a little bit of everything.
yeah,
That's why I have to have battery charges for all kinds of things.
Well, I mean, it depends on, like this is high end versus the low. I mean, the price wise.
Yeah.
And
The bigger
how
ones.
often are you going to use it? Is it just as a hobby? Are you using it for business?
Boat building.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, right now I'm actually in the process of two. I just put one to bed for winter. I'm building a Chesapeake Bay dead rise. It's going to be 32 feet long by 11 foot wide. So that one I put it to bed about a couple weeks ago. So I need a winter project. So I'm building an 18-foot panga. They call it. It's a panga. It's
So how many boats have you built?
well, how many I'm in the process of building? Complete 2. Yeah. So
How long have you been doing it?
I think about 3 years.
Are we talking sailboat, rowboat, motorboat?
Well, the first one was it was a cross rigging sailboat, but I bought that one, used it for a couple of years, and sold it. And these are motorboats, and this the big one outside is going to be a cabin cruiser, so I can go extended stay, take off for a few months at a time, and the little one inside is so I can go fishing next summer. So I got to get it done. This one. But for edges, and this is for like finishing the edges and the doors and the cabinets and.
I'm just assuming it's a wooden boat.
Yeah, wooden. It's all going to be wooden, covered with fiberglass. So I guess legally it's considered a fiberglass boat because everything will be enclosed in fiberglass. Outside will have 2 thick layers of it.
Okay, so you're not making a mold and laying
No,
it up.
you can consider the plywood pretty much the mold. Because it's a wooden frame. I've got I could use a regular 2x4s, and then I'm going to put marine ply around it, and then fiberglass around the whole thing. I'm actually leaning towards. I've in the past, I had one that was kind of like this one here, the still, that shape. But I don't know if that Bosch one. It looks like it's heavy and bulky to handle. The top one.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one don't look too bad.
I like the handles.
Yeah, can make them out of wood.
And then we have the bits over there.
Yeah. Okay, well, I see what you got, and I'm going to do some research.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Good. Well, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Say bye, everybody. Take care. You folks should have told me when I came in. I walked right past it. Oh, and that's another tool I'd like to get, that Craftsman planer. I have a small one, handheld, but yeah, I'd like to get a toy like this. Ooh, only $349. So Craftsman, if you're listening. Oh, DeWalt makes one too. So I'm open. DeWalt planer, Craftsman planer. Well, look at that. Yeah. Only one side we haven't looked at yet. Oh, there's something else I need. These are dollies, not dollies, sawhorses. I need to get some sawhorses. 49 bucks, 99, 59, speed horse. Huh. Legs are underneath it, looks like. I might just make them out of wood. Oh, wait a minute, 29. Haha. What does that say? That might do the job. I need to get quite a few of these, especially for spring. for scarfing pieces of wood together. So let me know what you think. Should I get one of these? $59, $29, is that on sale? Got $29 from $39, $49, or just make them out of wood. I got some plywood ones I've made that I'm using outside. Actually, 2 of them on my table for my radial arm saw. But they warp and they turn yucky. Ooh, I need plenty of these too, especially the long one. I was telling my wife I need these. I need a long one. She goes, how long you need it? I said, well, a long time. I'm going to be building a boat. She slapped me again. I tell you, abuse. Okay. Wow, look at the size of that level. Ooh-wee. That's even bigger than the one I bought, a 5-foot one the other day. How tall is this? This one here is, wow, it's taller than I am. It's nice too. Metal there. I don't have my reading glasses on, so you can see all the specs there yourselves. But just to show you how tall it is, let's see. Ah, look at that. Here's me, here's it. Don't know if that worked or not. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty tall. Well, the only other thing that I would really be looking at normally, which is over there, lumber. But I'm sure you don't want to be bored with 2x4s and 2x8s and 2x12s and how long it is and ooh. And actually I came over here a few months ago to the Pro Business Center and became a Pro member, and I got like 5% off on everything I buy. And the coolest thing is they let me park right in the front to pick up my stuff. So there we are, folks. We just went to Lowe's. I don't know if you call that department store. I just call it a gift store. And seen all the cool things they have. Did my shopping list, so we'll see how many of those Luca will get for me. And I want to wish all of you folks a happy holiday season. Coming right back over here, finding my trusty steed to get home. You all have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.